Hey guys, it's your man Sean back with this month's the March edition of Inside AssetIntel, your monthly dose of what's happening inside AssetIntel, our product updates, team updates, client collaborations, and much more. Well, without further ado, let's go ahead and check out what's happening this month at AssetIntel.
Hello, my name is Kenny Tong, and I am the Customer Success Manager at AssetIntel. Today, I'm very excited to share some of our monthly InspectX updates with you. This month, we're excited to introduce a powerful new admin feature in InspectX. Let me walk you through it. First, you need to access the Admin User Certification section. You can go to Admin Settings. In the User section, select Certifications. And under Username, I'm going to search by my name. And then click on the View button to access my own certifications. With this new improvement, admins can now upload certifications for any InspectX users. Here's how it works. So let's say I need to upload my underwater bridge inspection certificate. So I'm going to click on Add Certificate. For the certification type, I'm going to search underwater, the NHI course. And I'm going to pick on the completion date as today. And then select File, and I'm going to find the PDF. Right here. And then hit Finish. This is a game changer for admin efficiency. Instead of constantly chasing down users to upload their certifications, admins can now handle it directly after a training session. This eliminates all the back and forth communication, streamlining the process, and ensuring certifications are always up to date. We're excited for you to try it out and let us know what you think. Furthermore, we have made a great improvement to the forms inside admin settings as well. Previously, you couldn't combine static forms and many-to-one forms on the same page through the UI. Now you can. Here's how it works. Inside admin settings, go to the Forms section, click on the Forms tab, and I'm going to modify the form sample page. Click on Edit to modify the forms. And in here, you see an Add Dynamic button. So this is also known as a many-to-one tables. Click on Add Dynamic section. I'm going to put in the title as SMBI span set. Put the order as 20. In the drop down, I'm going to pick span sets. This automatically pulls all the attributes for span sets and everything looks good. And I'm going to click Save. Now let's take a look how the updated forms look within an asset. I'm going to go back to the inventory, select one of the structures, and click on the inventory forms. And I'm going to click on Form Sample. As you can see, now the static form and the dynamic form can be put together at the same page. This improvement gives admins greater flexibility in configuring the forms, allowing users to access the forms they need without relying on us to create them for you. Those were the major updates for this month. Stay tuned for our next installment with more amazing updates on InspectX.
Hello everyone, my name is Hooman Parvarde and I'm the CEO at AssetIntel. I'm very excited today to share some exciting updates about our EmergencyX and ManageX software with you. Now let's talk about the latest updates in EmergencyX. This month, we introduced support for different inspection types for each disaster event, such as earthquake and floods. What this means is that each inspection type can now have its own dedicated inspection form, allowing agencies to customize data collection based on the specific event. For example, your earthquake inspections can have a completely different form than your flood inspections, ensuring you're capturing the most relevant information for each scenario. This enhancement will improve your data collection, making it easier for agencies to respond effectively to different types of disasters. Adding these customized forms is incredibly simple. Just let us know what fields you need, and we'll take care of the setup for you. Let me show you an example of flood inspection form to demonstrate how this works. So we're looking at the flood monitoring section. I'm going to go to the monitoring status ones and open an inspection that is assigned to my user. This is the form that is set up for flood inspection in this environment, and the user can fill up the form very easily. So this is safe. And additionally, if you want, any of the data fields that are on the form can have a note section which you can use to add your notes and also add any number of photos. Once you're done with the data collection, you exit inspection. This process can be done on the mobile app to do offline data collection as well. And the form on both web and mobile are going to be the same. We're very excited about this new functionality, and we believe it'll make a big difference in how agencies manage disaster response and inspections. Thank you. Now let's talk about the latest update in ManageX. This month, we added a powerful functionality to the project section of the scenario result. Now when you're reviewing a scenario, you can click on any structure number to see the detailed information for that structure over the years that the project is defined for. This detailed view includes how bridge components or elements will deteriorate over time, how condition will improve after specific action, what actions are planned for that bridge or asset, the cost associated with those actions, including the total project cost, and more. Let me show you an example. So let me go to the run history and choose one of the projects that we have previously ran. I'll go to the project section, which shows me all the list of projects that are selected for that project for scenario. And here we see a table of all these projects. They're grouped by their year. If I click on any structure number here, like the first one, I'm going to see the information that I was talking about. For example, we can see the component rating, what is the condition for each year, and how they change from one year to another depending on the actions that are applied, or if the action is do nothing. And under the action section, we can see for deck, super sub, or what are the actions that are happening. For example, for deck, there's a deck polymer action, or for superstructure in year 2026, for this bridge, there's going to be a paint replacement action. We can see the costs associated with these actions and the total project cost. And down below, we can see the total cost for that asset during the scenario. We're very excited about this new feature, and we believe it will greatly enhance the experience for agencies using ManageX. making it easier to analyze project outcomes and make informed decisions. If you'd like to learn more or see how this feature can help your agency, feel free to reach out to us. We love to hear your feedback and help you get the most out of emergency exam managers.
Well, guys, we are sincerely proud to announce that our first federal client, United States Bureau of Reclamations, USBR, has officially gone live with InspectX and SnibbyX. This collaboration is sincerely going to help USBR in managing and inspecting their asset infrastructure inventory, and also at the same time seamlessly transition from NBI to SNBI data standards. We are also proud to announce that USBR is hosted on GovCloud, which is the United States federal government approved Microsoft hosting system, which is soon going to be FedRAMP compliant. Well, we are really excited about this association and collaboration and sincerely hope to assist them reach a new level of operational excellence. Well, guys, we are an ever expanding company, and let us introduce you to our newest team member, Ida Nobervol. Well, Ida holds an experience of over 5 years working as an engineer in the bridge management section of the North Dakota Department of Transportation. She has joined our client to success team and is going to closely work with our client success manager, Kenny Tong, in assisting our clients with our amazing solutions that we have in offer for them. We are really proud to have Ida in the team and look forward to achieving new milestones holding hands together. Well, guys, that was it for this month's edition of Inside AssetIntel. Thank you so much for staying tuned in till the end of the video. By the way, remember that the SNBI transition deadline is nearing soon. We've got SnibbyX just for you. Check out the playlist right here. At the same time, we have also got the other videos from Inside AssetIntel where you would want to go ahead and check what has been happening inside AssetIntel. For that, check out the playlist right here. And as always, stay safe and subscribe.